Judging by your interest in this video, it's probably safe to assume that you enjoy the odd glass of wine. But while plenty can tell the difference between Merlot and Pinot Noir, the origins of our favourite bottles are a complete mystery to many. When it comes to winemaking, you might be picturing an eager Frenchman rolling up his pantaloons and feeling some grapes between his toes. But there's more to it than that. Keep watching to find out how this becomes this. Welcome to Vincata. This is how wine is made. Winemaking has a long and fascinating history. The earliest evidence of such dates back as far as 6000 BC, meaning our ancestors may have been sipping on wine long before they were domesticating horses. It's believed that early winemakers mixed grapes with rice to produce fermented alcoholic drinks. It may be uncommon now, but grapes have been pressed and juiced by human feet for thousands of years. That was until the ancient Romans invented industrial wooden presses. While the basic techniques have stayed the same, thanks to the wonder of technology, winemaking has been revolutionized. And you may be pleased to know modern winemaking is almost entirely toeless. First of all the ripe grapes must be harvested. This task is generally done by machines, in which grapes are shaken off their stems and collected. However, where vineyards are steep, hard to access, or labour is very cheap, winemakers may choose to harvest by hand. It's a common misconception that all white wines are produced from white grapes. But in actual fact, many wonderful white wines are produced from black grapes. Red wines and rosé wines get their ready colour by being fermented with their black grape skin still on. The skins of the grapes not only add colour, but they're where red and rosé wines get their tannins and a lot of their flavour. Red wine is fermented in large open vessels. These allow winemakers to punch and push the wine, extracting further flavours from the skins. The wine can be in contact with skins for anything from 5 days to 2 weeks, while rosé wines are removed from their skins within hours, so that they don't take on too much colour. This fermentation process is the most important part of wine production. It's where the yeast is added, which over time will convert the sugar found in the juice to ethanol and carbon dioxide, giving the wine its alcohol content. Maturation is where wine develops complex flavours. If matured in old oak barrels, these vessels are porous and allow small amounts of oxygen to dissolve in the wine. This is important as this reaction softens the tannins and makes the wine taste smoother. Maturation periods vary depending on what the winemaker is trying to create. Some producers age their wine for 5 years or more, while some wines are made deliberately for early drinking. Next, the wine is clarified using a process called fining. This removes unwanted particles in the wine. Mostly this is done using minerals like bentonite, but some producers use egg white or gelatin. Luckily, none of the fining agents remain in the bottle. They all get filtered out. Finally, the wine is bottled, and there you have it, wine from grape to bottle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.